This module identifies the flight deck lighting and associated controls. The switches and knobs on the integral light panel from left to right. On the left side of the integral light panel is the variable intensity control knob for the overhead integral lighting. To the right of the overhead integrated light switch is the ice indicator and standby compass light switch. Next is the 3-position control switch for the dome lights. On the flight deck ceiling, 2 dome lights are installed to provide shadow-free floodlighting. When on battery-powered, only the right-hand dome light can operate. To the right of the dome light switch is the switch for the annunciator lights. This switch allows the crew to select the annunciator lights to dim, bright, or test. When the switch is moved to test, all flight deck annunciator lights illuminate, a display of 8s appear in the all-liquid crystal displays, or LCDs. All flags are displayed on the Electronic Instrument System, or EIS, and standby instruments, and the cruise page will appear on the System Display, or SD. This test is normally done by maintenance, because data transfer between the ECAM and the ND is inhibited during the test. Additionally, switching between the EIS and the DMCs are not allowed. Further aft on the overhead panel, we find the floodlight for the pedestal. This light is controlled by the floodlight PED knob on the right side of the pedestal. Floodlights for the main panel and the integral lights for the main panel and pedestal are controlled by the floodlight main panel and the integral light main panel and pedestal knobs on a panel on the left side of the pedestal. On each side of the aft overhead panel, there is a reading light knob for the pilot's reading lights. Outboard of each pilot's seat on the pillar of the lateral window, there is another reading light. The reading light has an on/off switch and a brightness knob installed on the light housing. There are 2 knobs located just under the flight control unit, or FCU. The knob on the left controls the intensity of the integral lighting on the glare shield and also the intensity of the LEDs on the FCU. The knob on the right controls the brightness of the FCU displays. There's a light under each side of the glare shield that illuminates the sliding table and map holder. The knob that controls the brightness of this light is located just outboard of the light itself. Console/floor lighting is controlled by a 3-position switch on each pilot's instrument panel. Let's answer those questions.